to my channel. My name is Amarachi. If you are a new watcher, hey girl, hey, what's up sis? And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? Today's look, I wanted to do something that I wasn't used to doing, which was color. This was just in time for Valentine's Day. I have a little bit of pinks and purples and you know, I love it a lot. So if you don't have the products that I'm using, that's fine. Use something that's close enough to it, or you can just use the technique that I used. Everything that I'm using in this tutorial is from MAC. I hope you guys love this look. If you haven't already, before you get to watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It should be somewhere like right here or either over here or somewhere. If you have the products that I'm using, then of course, great, go right for it. If you don't have those products that I have, use whatever you have that is somewhat close to it, or you can use a whole different type of color. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I've already primed my eyes with concealer and I've set it with some translucent powder. I'm going to go ahead and take my nifty thrifty 224 brush. I'm going to go ahead and set down my transition, and I love to use Rule eyeshadow and Saddle eyeshadow from MAC. It looks like this. And do not judge my palette. This is a palette that I use often, so it looks really dusty because of all the eyeshadows. But if you were MUA, you already get it. Anyways, these are the two colors that I'm using. Saddle, and I'm using Roll. These two colors. If you have anything similar to them, perfect. We're gonna take these two colors and put them in our crease. I like to sometimes dip into Roll and then dip right into Saddle. It's optional, you don't have to do it that way. If you want to take one shadow at a time, then you can. I'm just going around in circular motions, went back and forth. Just like that. Next one, I'm gonna go in with Saddle, taking the same brush. Just gonna apply it right underneath Roll. And make sure you're bringing in that color from the outside of your eye all the way in, to have that full effect of the transition color from the beginning of your eyelid to the end of your eyelid. I just picked up a little bit more Saddle. So bring that in there really good. Taking my 217 brush, going in with Deep Damson. I'm going to focus that right on the outer of my eye, moving it in all the way to the inner, as if I'm making a halo effect. I'm going to take my 224 taper blending brush. There's nothing on this brush other than a little bit of the Saddle and the Rule. I'm not dipping it back into any more product. I'm just dusting off whatever product is left on it. Dusting it off on a paper towel. Just going to go in with that brush, blend it into my Saddle and my Rule that I have up there. Just make sure it's all blended really well. Next, I'm going to take my 224 taper blending brush. Nothing's on here, I've already cleaned it. Taking it right into Into It Eyeshadow by MAC. I'm going to put it right there, right on top of Deep Damson. I'm going to take my Stila eyeshadow in Rose Gold Retro. I'm going to take that, I'm going to place it right in the center of my lid. Take my Morphe M421 brush. And just pat it down on my lid. Using a clean Morphe M421 brush, I'm going to go in and use Handwritten by MAC. I'm just going to darken up those inner corners, blending that shadow right into that Stila product. Just like that. Taking that same Morphe M42 brush, I'm going to go ahead and take that brush and use that to apply product down on the bottom lower lash line. I'm going to use the exact same colors that I used on face. However, I'm not going to put deep Damson on the bottom. Instead, what I'm going to do is put I'm Into It on the bottom lid first, and then add the transitional colors Saddle and Roll right on top of I'm Into It. Then I'm going to take that Stila eyeshadow again, and I'm going to add it to the bottom lower lash line. Taking my Morphe M213 brush, I'm going to dip that into I'm Into It eyeshadow, then blend it right on into the liquid eyeshadow from Stila. Taking my trusty old NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, I'm going to use that to line my waterline. So for the sake of time, I went ahead and applied my eyeliner off camera just to preserve how long I wanted this video to really be. What I was just doing right now was just blending out some of that eyeshadow just to make sure everything's blended all together with the eyeliner. I'm going to do, I've already applied mascara, and I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's in this beautiful pink bottle, in case if you guys don't know what it looks like. That's what I use. I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on. Today I'll be using Dodo lashes in the number D307, and this is what it looks like. The lashes that I'm using are really thick, and this is the first time I'm using them. They look really, really good. Maybe if you, I like them. I love doing this lip combo. It's one of my very all-time faves. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with Cork Lip Liner. Next, I'm going to take Yash Lipstick. Taking my lip liner again, I'm going to go back and line my lips again. Then I'm going to go with a lip gloss. I'm going to be using the Viva Glam Ariana Grande lip gloss from MAC. It looks just like this. I'm just going to put that right on the bottom of my lip. The last few steps that you can take, which is optional, you don't have to, but I like to. I'm going to take my highlighter, which is Old Darling from MAC. You guys are probably like, this has everything from MAC. Sorry, I used to work for them. Anyways, taking my highlighter, I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow. Just like that. Taking my Morphe M213 brush, I'm gonna take it and dip into the same highlighter. I'm gonna lightly spritz it with my charged water. I'm going to apply that to my tear duct. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. I haven't done something like this really bold in a very long time. So doing it and looking at it, I'm like, I'm not sure if I like it. I feel like I'm really out of you know, my comfort zone, but that's what I was trying to do for 2018, was to get out of my comfort zone and get back into doing color. I used to do color so much, and I gravitated doing color, and all of a sudden I was like, no, I like my more bronze and my more nude and glowy looks, that I literally fell out of it. I feel like I lost my groove of how to do my colored ones. So I hope you guys like this look. Looking at this monitor, I feel it. I am really digging this look. It looks good. Okay, now cue the slow-mo. Alright, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did love this look, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. If you have any looks that you would like for me to do, or any colors that you want to see me play with, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you do recreate this look that I did, be sure to tag me in it on Instagram at Amarachi MUA. And make sure your account is not on private so I can see it. Hashtag it or either tag me, whichever, and I will definitely repost your look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look that I did today, but I love it. I get really excited when I do looks that I do off the spot on top of my head without even like really practicing it, and it comes out looking really good. So again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys at the next tutorial. Thank you so much, and don't forget, you are beautiful and blessed. Bye y'all.